Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to change the display resolution and orientation in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the settings application, and now on the left side you will see here system option. Just click on it. Now just click on this display option. Now below you will see here display resolutions, so it will auto detect your computer's display resolutions. So now you can see here, so if I click on this option, I will see here different screen resolution options. So you can manually change the display resolution here. Say I will set it to 1280 into 720 pixels. Then you can see how the display resolution will look like. So you can revert it back or you can keep changes. Let me revert it back. So this is how you can change the display resolution. And if you want to change the display orientations, so you can see the next option, and now by default it will select the landscape. So if I click on it, so there are different options like portrait, landscape flip, portrait flip. So if I click on the portrait, so it will show you in the portrait mode. So let me report it right now. So by using this inbuilt features, you can easily change the display resolution and orientation in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool hidden features, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.